One of the ancient cities of Nepal, Bhaktapur, is renowned for a special kind of curd which is also known as jujudhau. There is no written history of naming the curd after jujudhau, but according to the old statement, there is a connection between curd and Malla king. In Nepali language, juju means king and dhau means curd. After a Malla king expressed his desire to have yogurt, special curds were sent from Kathmandu, Bhaktapur, and Lalitpur. Among them, the king liked the curd of Bhaktapur the most. Hence, it is believed that the name of the curd has been named Jujudhau since that time. At present, about 60 families in Bhaktapur are involved in Jujudhau business. Of them, 48 households are registered in Bhaktapur Jujudhau Union. The family of Radheshyam Karmacharya is also involved in Jujudhau business for past 2 decades. In Bhansagopal Chowk, he has Sri Barahi Jujudhau shop, and the daily routine of Radheshyam and his wife Sangita starts at 6 a.m. During festivals and jatras, they start making curd from 4 a.m. The milk which is required to make the curd arrives in the morning from Nagarkot, Bageshwari, Sudal and other places. Radheshyam says that in past enough milk was available in Bhaktapur. However, with the increase in the number of yogurt traders, there is a shortage of livestock farmers and they have to import it. Previously, Jujudha was made from buffalo's milk, but lately it is very difficult to get only buffalo milk, so milk of cow is also mixed while preparing the yogurt. Milk containing 5.5 fat is required to produce the curd, and when milk arrives, the fat is measured with the help of mercury. When such tool was not available, the fat was checked by dipping the hand. With the development of technology, another facility available to yogurt traders is the boiling machine, where they put raw milk and sugar in the machine and it starts boiling at 100 degrees. After boiling at 100 degrees, the same milk is boiled again by burning gas without putting the lid on the big stove. Then the milk is poured into the pots and the curd seeds are put in all the pots little by little.
दही बनाउँदा धौसा चाहिन्छ त्यो दही नै आज बनाएको दही भोलि नै त्यो बिउ राख्ने भयो धौसा अलिक पातलो गरेर हल्लाएर अनि पातलो गरेर पानी अलिकति राखेर पातलो बनाउने अनि त्यो बिउ राख्ने
After making the yogurt, it is kept in the fridge so that the taste and texture do not get worse. Radheshyam says that in past, where there was no fridge, cold water was put on the curd from time to time to prevent it from spoiling. With the arrival of summer, the demand for yogurt increases. Radheshyam said that Barahi Jujudhau produces 100 to 200 liters of milk yogurt daily during summer season and 500 to 1000 liters of milk yogurt during the festival. Yogurt made by Radheshyam in a small earthenware glass is sold for Rs 35 in his own shop and other shops in Bhaktapur. They sell yogurt made in 2-3 layers large earthenware pots for up to 4 to 5,000 rupees. Now he has been selling a liter of Jujudhau for Rs 220. He says that most of the Chinese ask him to teach the method, but they cannot teach them because it can cause loss to their originality and identity.